Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the notification tone on LENOVO Tab P12. Go to Settings and then go to Sound, and in Sound go to Notification Sound, and here you can choose Notification Volume, a ringtone from here, or you can choose a ringtone from your music or from recorder. I'm gonna choose from here. When you click on any one of those, you'll hear a preview of it. And when you choose one, just click on it, then go back. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.